Hey option sharks, this is your option coach here, joining you on a Thursday afternoon on the Pacific Coast. Okay, so let's dive into this video. As you guys know, if you're in the markets, trading options or investing, the past month, 2-3 weeks has been quite volatile because of what's going on with the AI valuation, big tech spending, job losses, government shutdown, which we finally just got out of. But either way, this video, what I want to focus on is the type of investor you are. Okay, so you have to be very real with yourself, with your personality type and your current stage in your life when it comes to investing and trading options. Specifically because every option strategy has a different timeline for the returns. So if you're looking for quicker returns on a shorter timeline, then the strategies you deploy will not be long-term strategies like leaps or buying and holding any particular equity. If you're looking for short-term income and cash, then your focus primarily should be the wheel strategy, which is very safe, and then more advanced, which is spreads. And also your personality type, right? If you're somebody that don't have that much patience and you cannot wait a little bit longer on a longer timeline, delayed gratification is what we call it, then doing any long-term strategy like leaps or buy and holding will not be for you. Even though it's profitable, but you have to know your personality, that you are somebody that's more on the short-term scale, right? Your ability to deal with fluctuations, volatility in the market is a bit short-term. So any long-term strategy, when there's volatility in between, if you cannot weather that storm, then you should just stick with the short-term strategies where you are generating cash and generating income. And you have to be really clear with yourself, right? What's your personality type? Okay, can you delay your gratification? If you cannot, then don't do anything long-term. Focus more on the short-term strategy, selling puts, selling covered calls, things of that nature. You have to just get really clear about that, okay? And then if you need some more guidance around trading options or investing, obviously, I provide one-on-one coaching. I can help you generate income anywhere between 3 to 10% per month. Trading options specifically as a one-on-one coach, and also help you with everything related to options, how to read contracts, understanding strategies, technicals, fundamentals, because the times that we are in is very interesting. So you have to really, if you're gonna take this seriously, if you got money involved, you want to get some help. You don't want to try to figure this out on your own, rolling the dice. It's not fun. Okay. All right. Anyways, if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, leave a comment. And then if you do want to get some help, you could book a time. You'll personally speak with me, personally share with you how my community works. I'll share my screen. I'll give you a private tour. And of course, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You'll see a sample of an actual one-on-one coaching I do with my clients. All right, so other than that, I wish you a fantastic day where you are, and I'll see you in the next video. And we always want to keep reserves when it comes to doing advanced strategies and spreads.
Mm-hmm.
You never want to deploy the entire 27,000 into contracts. That's how you get yourself in trouble. You always
Yeah.
want to do at least 50 or 40% in collateral for
See, you have the
options
option to
or
roll and do, yeah.
bingo, because you need
Yep.
capital to move it out, roll it out. A
Yep.
lot of beginners, they jump into advanced strategies and they just deploy all of it thinking that the trade's going to work out perfectly fine. And what happens is when it gets in the money and they don't have capital to roll it, then you're forced to realize a loss, which
Right.
therefore means you lose. And the collateral right now shows 7. That's what it's being held in collateral. But the value of these contracts, if it's in the money, it appreciates substantially. And then to close it out is quite expensive. Okay.
Right. Right.
So you need reserves. So in this case, you got 11K, 11.5K in reserves. Actually, no, you have 23K.
Yeah.
23K in reserves that allow you to navigate this position.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is good enough. You don't want to do more than any more contracts than that. And if we're talking about $500 approximately a week, you're looking at 2K per month
Yeah.
off of working with a 23K. Yeah, that's exactly 10% from what I was telling you
Yeah.
before. 5 to
Yeah. Yeah.
10% off 23,000 is about
Yeah.
roughly around there. So yeah, so this is a trade that I personally am in on. I have a lot of contracts on.
Yeah.
And then yeah, and that's it. And let's see, it's 23rd. We can squeeze in a little additional income with the individual cash because this expires 23rd. We can get something for this Friday. You get what I
Yeah.
mean? And have
Yeah.
something expire the 16th.
So let's check out. There's a stock car, IREN. Let's see if the premiums are still very good. IREN.
Oh, IREN.
Yeah. And it's trading probably around eight and change. There you go. Let's trade iron options. Sell put. And this is going to be a wheel strategy. Sell put. Let's look at 750. Yeah, 19 bucks is pretty good for per contract. Let me check one more stock on my side to see if we have something that's better than $19 per contract. Sell put.
So just curious, Anthony, my overall understanding of options so far, where would you rank me at?
Intermediate.
Intermediate?
Intermediate.
Right on.
Yeah. Yeah. Better than a beginner, but intermediate still.
Yeah. I feel like I have a relatively good understanding of it, right? Like, and not to put myself in positions that are gonna screw me, right?
Yeah, you have the understanding of the mechanics of it, but the nuances of it, the intricacies of it, that's how you're gonna learn through coaching and feedback loop, right? Asking questions and things like that. That's how you get the guidance around that. Yeah, Archer is interesting. Archer has a lot of premium, but it has ran up a bit. I don't want to get
So we're
stuck
currently
on
day three from earnings, right?
Yeah, on Archer.
Yeah.
But it could be a new baseline because no one took profits. It ran up and it stayed around above $11. That's a good signal about how it's performing.
Well, they ultimately synced up with Palantir, correct?
Correct. They have partnership with Palantir. That's right. I'm just debating between Archer or Iron, IREN. And I think the system Robinhood system has a glitch because if you're looking at lower strike price, the premium is, oh no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I need to look at sell put. Okay. So 11, yeah, Iron is the best. All right. So what is Iron? Iron is a Bitcoin mining company. They mine Bitcoin. So obviously crypto is having huge momentum. And I think they had earnings already. And they're holding steady as well. So Iron, is a stock I've been trading on for probably close to 6 months. I rotate between Iron, IREN, CLSK, and ACHR for smaller portfolio sizes. This is the best for this value. And actually, this trade we did last week with other people, and the premiums were like 0.40, almost $40 per contract. Because obviously, we're doing it Wednesday. It's 0.19. Now, $7.50 strike means that 100 shares is 750 bucks. Right. So if based off your buying power, you have 11.5. So we just take 11.5 divided by 750, and that'll tell you the number of contracts you can open. 15 contracts. So if we hit continue, and hit 15, and we'll keep it at 1.9. That's another 284 just in 2 days.
Right on.
So I'll run this, and that's it. And then you have your spread that's expiring next week, right? And even if you get assigned these shares, you can still be liquid because you can sell and close it out, whatever you like. But the likelihood of it going to 750 is very unlikely, right? Because it's very bullish momentum. So there you go. 284 plus 5 is about 8 days. No, 7 days, about $800, right?